Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is your guys Mama Saglig channel, a faithful Ozo Matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tagay natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a special gabay for the month of May 17 hanggang May 23 for the sign of Sagittarius. So Sagi, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayong messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy at kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagittarius ang ating makakagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kundi lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos. Update kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads sa way pagpalaing kayo ng Diyos at may kapalit siksik liglig nag-umapaw na biyayang manubalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the message sa iyo ng ating expert for the sign of Sagittarius? So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagittarius ang ating makakagilap? Angel Spirit, God please give information po. There's an Empress card, a river, na maaaring babalik yung katawan lupa dito. Parang babalik yung sigla. No, there's something, a new beginning coming in for you. A blessing. Some of you guys maaaring magbuntis ka. The others are fertile. No? What is additional messages? And this is something guys with a Knight of Swords with a success driven. No, mabibilis ang takbo ng sitwasyon. Na magiging matagumpay ka dito. And there's a devil card, just being aware. There's something, a black magic involved. No, there's something toxic or negative. No, there's something guys with a Queen of Wands, by confident. Lakas mo loob mo, lakas mo pakiramdam mo. No? No, kumbaga kung nakakaranas ka ng delays and cancellation that because of this devil card. And there's a King of Pentacles. Na magiging secure ka sa lahat ng pangarap at plano mo. Huwag ka nag-share ng kahit anong information. There's an evil eye. Now, there's something, the Knight of Pentacles. Security. I told you, magkaroon ka ng seguridad pagdating sa plano at pangarap mo. Especially pagdating sa pagmamanage ng pera ka. Kung may mga transaction ka, huwag ka nag-share at huwag ka nagbibigay ng information with other people. No, kahit na malalapit sa'yo, huwag ka nagbibigay ng information na may darating na ganito, na mayroon kang minaasa na ganito. No, huwag ka magbibigay ng information. What is the Devil card? Represent guys with the Seven of Cups. Now, there's a lot of opportunities coming in for you. There's something, a new blessing, na marami pa parating na biyaya. No, there's a lot of options, multiple options, and multiple choices. What is the Knight of Swords? Represent with the Sun card. No, there's a pure positive outcome. No, there's a lot of pure positivity. Magiging maganda at magiging maayos ang sitwasyon. Enlightenment. No, bibigyan liwanag sa lahat ng bagay at mas mabilis pa to. And there's a Seven of Wands and the Devil card. Ibig sabihin, you are also protected. May protection ka na laban sa gawa ng masasamang mahika. Like black magic or bad elements. No? You are being protected. There's an Eight of Pentacles. Mag-focus ka na sa ginagawa mo at mag-concentrate ka. Huwag ka magpapalin lang. Huwag ka magpapadistract. No? Lakasan mo loob mo na alam mo yung ginagawa mo. Lakasan mo loob mo na magtatagumpay ka sa ginagawa mo. And there's a King of Pentacles, represent the Six of Swords. Now, there's a transition. Unti-unti ka na makakalaya sa hindi maganda sitwasyon. Na muling pagbangon. No? Unti-unti ka na kumbaga, makakawala dyan. No, yung mga plano nila na harangin yung transaction or something, hindi na matutupad dyan. Kasi, kumbaga, alam mo na yung plano nila eh. And there's an Ace of Wands. Magkakaroon ka ng bagong plano at pangarap. No? Maaring you're setting yourself in a lot of goals. No, talaga matutupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Additional messages. So, there's a Death card. No? No, maaaring may mga bagay na matapos na. Maaaring may mga bagay na magsimulang muli. No? There's something, a big transformations. And of course, there's something, the King of Wands. No? This is something, guys, with a look at the bigger picture. Unti-unti mo na masisilayan yung magiging posibilidad. Yung kalalabasan ng action and decisions mo. Additional messages. And of course, there's something, guys, with the world. Nababaguhin itong mundo mo. No? From 0 to 10. No? From kalugmukan to nagtatamasa ng kasaganahan. Ganon. Kumbaga, hindi na nila makakarangan ng mga bagay na nangyayari. No, there's a Two of Cups, there's a partnership, at mas maliwanag pa at mas maayos pa na kumbaga pagtutulungan, no? And this is something guys with a star card and healing and recovery, makaka-recover ka na, makakalaya at makakawala ka na, no? Sa lahat ng kalungkutan, kagipitan, no? Ito na yung panahon at pagkakataon na bibigyan ka muli ng pag-asa na makabangon. And there's a sneakiness, I told you, there's a something stalking, looking, watching at you. Marami nakasubaybay sa'yo, no? Kaya wag ka nagbibigay ng information dyan guys ha. Lalapit-lapit yan para makakuha ng informasyon, para gawang ka ng eksena ulit. What is additional messages for the outcome? So there's something that's said of course with happiness, magiging masaya at magiging maligaya ka na, no? Ito na yung panahon at pagkakataon para maging masaya ka na muli, no? Matagal ng taon, matagal ng panahon na hindi ka naging masaya. Ito yung magdadala sa'yo na mas nag-uumapaw na kaligayahan. And there's a 4 of Wands, some of you magkakaroon ng reunite, no? Family gatherings, no? Homecoming. Some of you guys magkakaroon ng celebration for something, a wedding, higher level commitment, may ikakasal, magkakaroon ng engagement, and there's a Page of Cups na makinig ka sa intuitions mo and gut feeling mo, na magdasal ka, mag-devotions ka, mag-meditate ka, lagi mo pakakatandaan bago ka matulog, magdadasal ka. And there's a Page of Pentacles, invest wisely, na mag-invest ka ng something, emotion or something na alam mo lalago at lalakas, no? Yung magdadala sa'yo ng mas maayos na sitwasyon. And there's a 9 of Cups. Maraming offer na paparating, mas maganda at mas maayos. Ang ganda ng reading mo ha, more on positivities. No, there's a waiting for, ito hinihintay mo resulta, documents. Maaring dumating na. No, wag ka lang talaga nag-share ng kahit anong information with other people. Baka harangin. Ha? Maraming parating. No, na magagandang informasyon, magagandang blessing. No? I-grab mo ng i-grab. What is additional messages tayo pagdating sa finances and career, love life, at kalusugan mo? Alamin na natin yan guys, so let's watch this. Okay, pagdating sa finances and career, represent what? There is something guys with the Queen of Pentacles na maging practical at maging mature ka how to manage your business, how to manage your finances or resource of income, and this is something the Magician for desires into reality. May mga pangarap ka matutupad mo, lalo-lalo sa usapin sa pera, no? And there's a need of sort of reverse something of freedom from toxic and negativities. Makakalaya at makakawala ka na sa mga toxic na tao at iikot ng kapalaran mo. No, there's something, a blessing, no, a good fortune, no, a good life, a new cycles, a brand new beginning, no? Magiging maganda talaga ikot ang kapalaran mo at mag-uumapaw ang pag-ibig. At kumbaga about sa business or trabaho, about sa pagkakaperahan, kumbaga passionate ka, no? Talagang gusto mo yung ginagawa mo. That's good. Diyan ka lalago at magkakaroon ka ng panatag at balance na emosyon, no? Additional messages tayo pagdating sa love life. There is a 10 of Swords reverse, something in no more sabotage. Nawala na rin sasabot tayo pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. Now, there's a the King of Cups. Itong person mo is very devoted and very supportive. No, dahil there's an Ace of Pentacles, talaga nagtutulungan kayo ngayon tungkol sa finances. No, kung paano nyo mapapalago ang isa't isa. No, nakaka-move on na kayo sa lahat ng mga bagay na pinagdaanan nyo, struggles, sacrifices, and there's an 8 of Wands. No, mas bibilis itong takbo ng sitwasyon. There's an 8 represents something, a good karma, at magandang oportunidad na papasok sa buhay mo. No, there's something guys with a turning back. No, marami kang mensaheng matatanggap, marami kang mga bagay na maaaring magdala sa ng new beginning. There's an 8 of Wands for trouble. No, there's a lot of experiences. No, adventure with the full card. No, magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula, panibagong pag-asa, na sa tamang progreso kayong dalawa. No? Na, kumbaga, unti-unti nyo na nararamdaman ng pagbabago sa inyong buhay, sa inyong relasyon, sa inyong pamilya. Pagdating sa kalusugan, there's a 9 of Pentacles with a blossoming, no, may paglago at may maganda ng iyong kalusugan dito. No, nag-overpadig ka lang dito, umiwas ka, no, sa puyat. Kailangan mo na mahabang tulog. No, there's a high five for lesson learned. Matuto ka na sa mga pinagdaanan mo. No, madala ka na sa mga naranasan mo sa nakaraan. No, nasasobrahan ka dito, overpatig ka. Some of you guys, na mataas ang cholesterol mo. No? And this is something, the 3 of Swords. No, nananakit na yung mga kasukasuan mo, yung mga likod mo. No, marami ka ng lamig sa katawan. And of course, this is something guys with a Queen of Swords. No? Learn mo na yung boundaries mo. kailangan mo ng, kumbaga, healthy boundaries, no? Yung kalusugan mo, antabayanan mo, pagmasdan mo, ay alagaan, ingatan mo. No? Kailangan mo magpa-massage, kailangan mo ng tamang pahinga, no? Tamang tulog. So guys, let's see what is additional messages with magical fairy messages and advices, and of course, a pick, a card, yes or no. Kung bago ka sa channel ko, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos, update. And of course, guys, no, kung bago ka sa channel ko, mag-isip ka na ng question regarding with a pick, a card, yes or no. No, mag-isip ka ng question mo, isa lang magiging sagot dyan, 1, 2, or 3. Now, and comment down below kung anong number na napili mo. So guys, let's see and watch this. Let's see what is the magical fairy messages represent what. With the magical fairy messages, represent guys with assertiveness. Dapat alam mo sa sarili mo yung grounds mo, ha? Huwag kang magpapadala ng tensyon. Manatili kang kalmado. Dapat alam mo sa sarili mo yung lahat ng pinaniniwalaan mo. And this something express your individuality. Alam mo sa sarili mo dapat yung kakayanan mo, no? Yung kaalaman mo. At the same time, connect with the nature. Kailangan mo talaga ng unwind, guys, ng pahinga. No? Kailangan mo ng more on nature. No? Kailangan mo lumanghap ng mga sariwang hangin. No? Pumunta ng beach. No? Or something forest. Na yung parang makakalanghap ka ng mga sariwang hangin. What is the yin and yang oracle card? So, there's a northward with a purpose. Kumbaga, alam mo na ngayon yung purpose mo sa buhay. And there's an healing. Na magkakaroon ka ng healing dito, guys. No? At the same time, there's something, a shadow. The dark night. Oh my goodness. No? Unti-unti mo nang ma-reveal lahat. No? Matutuklasan lahat. What is the synchronicities represent what? And there's a loss. Na maraming bagay na nawawala, inaalis, but it's something an opportunity. No? Para ma-appreciate mo lahat ng bagay na pinangahawakan mo with the health. No? May mga bagay na hawak-hawak ka dapat marunong kami i-appreciate yan. No? And this something healing. Double clarification na unti-unti na mag-heal sa'yo lahat. No? Kumbaga, from finances, for love life, for career, lahat ng bagay na yan hihilumin na. No? Ano man yung mga bagay na nagbigay sa'yo ng, kumbaga, problema, pabigat, kumbaga, lahat ng bagay na yung gagaang. No? There's something, a breakup. Some of you napunta sa breakup yung in your relationship. There's something, a love and signs. No? Talagang, kumbaga, meron talaga ditong nagmamahal sa'yo. No? May makikilala ka. And there's a magnetic attraction. Talagang, passion nyo ang isa't isa. Ay, taray. What is an angel's number represent what? For an angel's number, represent with a 111 with an intuitions. No? Maaring tatalas ang iyong intuition. No? It's time to implement long cherished ideas. You're on the right track towards making your dreams and vision into reality. The right people, circumstances, and resources are being sent your way. Happiness and new opportunities are at hand. Trust in the process. So, kailangan mo magtiwala sa tamang proseso. No, nandun ka sa, kumbaga, mga nararamdaman mo na tama yung ginagawa mo, tama yung kumbaga, process mo, but definitely, kailangan mo magpatuloy. No, na walang takot at pangamba. Just continue what you're doing. Kabaan ng pasensya, wag magmadali. No? And the Money Move Oracle deck represent with a surprise, no? Maraming pasabog at maraming bulabog. No, they're ready for a change. Ito na yung pagbabagong magaganap sa buhay mo. Unexpected turn can bring positive change. What lies beneath with the hidden future? Ganon. Maraming pasabog na unti-unting hihilumin. No, ano man yung mga bagay bigat ng nakaraan. And there's a destroyed. No, ibig sabihin dito may mga nasira. No, may mga bagay na nawala. No, but definitely this is something a blessing in disguise. No, kaya nangyari yan, kaya ibinigay yan kasi may bagong paparating, no? Anger management. Ito yung sinasabi na kailangan mo maging kalmado. Huwag mong unahin ng galit or ano man yung nararamdaman mo, maging kalmado ka. And the shadow work represent what? When the shadow work represent what? And of course, there's something self-reflection. So see, lahat ng bagay na gagawin mo, lahat ng ikikilos mo, magre-reflect sa'yo. And there's an awareness and improvement. Looking inwards help you see what you improve to make better choices. No, kailangan alamin mo yung mga bagay na magpapabago ng iyong eksena, ng sitwasyon mo. No, mayroon pa palang mas mahalaga, ito pala yung mas maganda. No, maging aware ka sa mga gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. And there is a part of the light represent what? With a part of the light represent with sacred connections. No? I honor the sacred connection between myself, others, and the universe. I am the part of the divine web that unites all being, and through these connections, I am guided towards wisdom, compassion, and love. Every interactions and reflections of the divine reminding me of the light that exists in our all. So, alam mo sa sarili mo na nag-exist lahat ng bagay na nangyari sa buhay mo. No? Kumbaga, lahat ng bagay ay may buhay at mayroong hangganan. So, kailangan mo talaga ditong, kumbaga, makipagtulungan at kailangan mong makiramdam at matuto kang pahalagahan lahat ng bagay na meron ka sa ngayon. No? Tignan mo yung lighter side of the situation. What is the clarifying for a love situation? Represent what? And of course, there is something, guys, with a full gamble. Beware the deceit of trickers, as a risky path can lead to downfall. No, mag-ingat daw kayo, no, sa mayroon ditong kumbaga mapanlin lang. No, hahanapin niya yung bagay na kumbaga magiging kahinaan mo. No, mag-ingat ka sa pagkakatiwalaan mo dahil hinahanap nito ang ikababagsak mo. So let's see what is the clarifying for a life situation. And of course, this is something in rough roads. Prepare carefully before you continue, for it's a long journey ahead. So, ibig sabihin dito, no? Mag-ingat ka, pagandaan mo yung bawat eksena bago ka kumilos, bago ka magdesisyon. Kailangan mo pakakatandaan yung bawat eksena. No? Para hindi ka magkamali, hindi ka mabigo, lalo-lalo na hindi ka madapa at mapunta ka sa pagkalugmok na sitwasyon. No? Lagi mo pag-iisipan yung magiging advantage and disadvantage and possible na mangyari. So guys, let's see what is a pick a card, yes or no. So let's watch this. With a pick a card, yes or no. So this is it, guys, no? Pisahan na natin, guys. Let's start tayo with the number 1. And there's something a no. Yes, sorry. Being showed the way, welcome with an open arms. No? Kumbaga pinapakita na sa ito lahat ng bagay o daan kailangan mo tanggapin at kailangan mong kumbaga ipasok sa loob mo. Parang gano'n. No? Na kumbaga tanggapin mo ng buong buo. No? Lahat ng bagay o posibilidad. And there's a number 2, represent with an yes again. It's a good investment, getting paid, saving up. No? Tama tong ginawa mo. No, tama yung kumbaga pinaglaanan mo ng panahon at oras at ito na yung panahon at pagkakataon para anihin mo na. No, ano man yung mga bagay na ginawa mo. And this is something, yes, with the number 3. This is reap your effort bear fruit. Ibig sabihin, ito na yung panahon at pagkakataon para anihin mo na. No, lahat ng sakripisyo mo, lahat ng pinaghirapan mo. Ito na yung panahon at pagkakataon para mapawi na ang hirap na pinaghirapan mo. So guys, this is a special gabay for the month of May 17 hanggang May 23 for the sign of Sagittarius. So, Sagi, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. Update ko, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads away pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. At maraming salamat guys at see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!